I want to talk about some of the serendipitous, incidents that happened in your life, which actually then resulted in some great friendships as well. Your chance encounter with Emma Hussein,
Yes.
on a train. I mean, take me through that and why you believe through the course of your life you've had so many of these
Yes.
serendipitous encounters.
Yes, by nature, I'm one of those guys. This was, I said, let me deal with this Hussein. I was in the army then, and it was the army. You see, you were allowed. I don't know whether allowed now. At that time, it used to be a coupe in a train reserved for this thing. So I was a coupe, and then at the Secunderabad railway station in down south. Oh my God, train was packed up, and there was a guy. The whole platform was up. And there's one guy comes around, and I just opened it for a short while, my door, and when I saw Khan Sahib standing outside with a tin box on his head, same, no shoes, nothing, with the beer flowing off. कि साहब मुझे अंदर आने दीजिए, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा, मैं कहीं जगह नहीं मिल रही मुझे. मैंने कहा भाई आप हैं कौन? नहीं, the train stopped for a short while the check thing was going on. So I said, मुझे पता नहीं क्या आया. Normally, how I go today, you look like terrorist. How the hell would you allow? So I said, अच्छा खान साहब आ जाइए बैठिए. तो खैर एक ही मिनट. तो मैंने कहा आप हैं कौन खान साहब? कि जी आज तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. मैं आज होर्डिंग बनाता हूँ. और वो बात करके माफ़ करना जी, मैं कागज़ लेकर, तो मुझसे बात कर रहा है, मेरी पिक्चर बनानी शुरू कर दी उसने कि साहब मैं बस, मेरा कुछ अल्लाह ने मुझको ऐसा दिया है कि मैं अच्छी तरह से आर्टिस्ट हूँ, लेकिन अभी तो होर्डिंग किस बनूंगा. At a finished went sleep. So when we got up, so he said, "Sir, New Delhi Railway, can I take your address?" I said, "Yeah." When I gave my address. So yeah, after about 2 3 months, I found on my gate. I was posted in the army headquarters then. Here, so in uniform, so I was just going early in the morning. So I just, my watchman came. Ke sahab, there's a scraggly looking person who want to meet you. So by nature, who comes to me, I never say no. I just, okay, let's have. मैं कौन है? तो जब मैंने स्टॉप द कार, खान साहब से मैंने कहा खान साहब आप तो वही हैं
Huh.
कि हाँ जी, मैंने ये अल्लाह दूसरी मैं क्या हुआ क्या कि जी मुझे 500 रुपये की ज़रूरत है. तो मैं जल्दी, फॉर्चुनेटली वो क्रेडिट कार्ड की उसको नॉर्मली डोंट कीप दैट में क्या, आई हैड 500. तो मैंने देखा अच्छा, मैं खासा लीजिए पाता, मैं कहा मुझे देर हो रही है, माफ़ करने में जा रहे हो, दे दिए, मैं चला गया. मेरा फिनिश. देन आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स, this late Natwar Singh, who was a great friend of mine, he was in foreign service. So he was staying here with me. The post outside was staying with me. So in the morning, I was just getting out and I saw, say hello to Natwar on my way out. And I saw Khan Sahib was sitting again. So Natwar Singh said, कि भाई कि you are not met Khan Sahib. I said, मैं कहा नहीं, मैं तो मिला हूँ, ये
Huh.
वही खान साहब. जी हाँ, मैं वही हूँ. कि वो कह रहे भाई ये वन डे ही विल बी ए गुड आर्टिस्ट. अभी मैं, मेरे से मिलना है कि एक बर्लिन में कोई एग्जीबिशन है, फॉरेन मिनिस्ट्री से मैं उसको स्पॉन्सर कर रहा हूँ ताकि वो चला जाए. तो मैंने अच्छी बात है. कह साहब मेरे पास कोट नहीं है. मैंने कहा कहाँ साहब पहले पैसे नहीं थे, अब कोट नहीं, क्या है कि जी मुझे बस, मैं सर्दी है वो सुना वहाँ मेरे से. तो मैं कहा इसे, मैं कैसे भाई मेरा ओवर कोट ले आना. तो ओवर कोट लेके तो वाइल आई वाज डूइंग, तो नेटवर्किंग करके भाई ऐसा इनके पास पैसे वैसे नहीं है कि इनको क्यों नहीं आप अपॉर्चुनिटी देते. तो मैं कैसे, ये बताओ कहाँ साहब, मैं भी आर्मी से अभी रिटायर होने वाला हूँ एक महीने में. मैं यहाँ से, और मेरी कंपनी है फैमिली की. तो अगर आपके पास याद रोज आते हो तो कंपनी से कहे साहब बड़ा मेरा अल्लाह का ये होगा वो दुनिया भर की. मैं चलो आपको कंपनी में मैं लगा तो मुझे आके मिल लेना. तो 600 रुपये के ऊपर वी स्टार्टेड हिम. He remained like an artisan for a long. Deal was that whenever you are in the mood, if you say you're good artist, I'll pay for your canvas and paint costs. You keep making painting. He made so many paintings for us. Okay. जब उसकी as he became very famous, then frankly what happened was that we made him as art advisor of the company just for the sake of name. We increased slightly. So 3,000, that kind of thing. But his fame became big. So the deal was that in DLF Center, if you see the reception DLF
Yes.
Center, there's an oval shape. I don't know whether you've seen it. You must go and see that. It's one of the most historical things
Yes.
made completely. It is the story of Delhi from Mohenjo-daro time
Yes.
right to now. And he said, तो एक रोज उसका आया तो उसने कहा कि साहब मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं नहीं हूँ, मुझको सिर्फ ये बेसमेंट में दाल नान की and roti naan and some tandoori chicken बस and shor sharaba. I don't want anything. I'll do it. He took 2 days, like a madman he worked. And you see today, when you put the damn thing up,
Yeah.
it's correct.
Yeah.
So उसके बाद मैं again यहाँ से फिर then he had to leave the country. Then he rang me when he was about 100 years old. I met in Dubai. बड़ी तबीयतें मिलने की. So I went down. Because अब देखिए, अब देखो मेरे कितने museum I saw to see. But then he moved to London. Then thereafter he died. But he was a very different person. But for me, this was like I used to go Delhi College of Arts every April. I still remember the name of the principal was one Mr. Sharma. Because they, you see, last term of the students used to finish in April. They used to show their work.
Works.
So you see the work for the heck of it. Again, heck of it. I used to pay. किसी का 500 रुपए हो, किसी का 1000 रुपए हो, 200 रुपए हो, different thing by just to encourage.
Yeah.
And in that thing was one of these guys, was this this great artist. ये अभी जो उन्होंने पेंट किया जो अभी किया ना हमारे अभी इसमें
Paresh Mehti.
Paresh Mehti.
हाँ.
Paresh Mehti. So he rose so many people. So it is the ability to, I won't say ability, it is your interest in good things of life. Art is a good thing, right? And my way was to just make a small investment in the hope that something will come out.
From David to Goliath, from the smallest business ventures to multi-million-dollar global corporations. Meet the movers and shakers, today's newsmakers, and tomorrow's leaders. Understand what makes markets move, how companies make quantum leaps, and how giant corporations stay ahead. Get the biggest business stories of the day, power-packed into 30 minutes. On Business 360 at these times.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.